Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor daily.
I sweep the floor daily.
Take out the trash. I take out the trash every evening.
I take out the trash every evening.
Dust the furniture. I dust the shelves and tables.
I dust the shelves and tables.
Mop the floor. I mop the floors once a week.
I mop the floors once a week.
Water the plants. I water the plants regularly.
I water the plants regularly.
Make the bed. I make the bed every morning.
I make the bed every morning.
Do the dishes. I do the dishes after meals.
I do the dishes after meals.
Dry the dishes. I dry the dishes once they are clean.
I dry the dishes once they are clean.
Put away the dishes. I put away the clean dishes.
I put away the clean dishes.
Clean the sink. I clean the sink after washing dishes.
I clean the sink after washing dishes.
Clean the microwave. I wipe down the microwave often.
I wipe down the microwave often.
Wipe the stove. I wipe down the stove top after cooking.
I wipe down the stove top after cooking.
Wipe down cabinets. I wipe down kitchen cabinets regularly.
I wipe down kitchen cabinets regularly.
Organize the pantry. I organize the pantry shelves.
I organize the pantry shelves.
Clean out drawers. I organize the storage closet.
I organize the storage closet.
Wipe the mirrors. I wipe the bathroom mirrors regularly.
I wipe the bathroom mirrors regularly.
Vacuum rugs. I vacuum small area rugs around the house.
I vacuum small area rugs around the house.
Trim plants. I trim dead leaves from plants.
I trim dead leaves from plants.
Organize kids' toys. I organize my kids' toys.
I organize my kids' toes.
Clean the fish tank. I clean the fish tank once a week.
I clean the fish tank once a week.
Clean outdoor doormat. I shake out and clean the outdoor doormat.
I shake out and clean the outdoor doormat.
Organize shoes. I organize the shoes in the entryway.
I organize the shoes in the entryway.
Sanitize remote controls. I sanitize remote controls to prevent germs.
I sanitize remote controls to prevent germs.
Defrost freezer. I defrost the freezer to remove ice buildup.
I defrost the freezer to remove ice buildup.
Wipe down blinds. I wipe the blinds in the windows.
I wipe the blinds in the windows.
Wipe down the railing. I wipe down the stair railing.
I wipe down the stair railing.
Clean ceiling fans. I dust and clean the ceiling fans.
I dust and clean the ceiling fans.
Iron clothes. I iron my work clothes.
I iron my work clothes.
Change bed sheets. I change the sheets on the bed.
I change the sheets on the bed.
Clean the fridge. I clean and organize the fridge.
I clean and organize the fridge.
Wash laundry. I do laundry twice a week.
I do laundry twice a week.
Fold clothes. I fold the clean laundry.
I fold the clean laundry.
Put away clothes. I put away the folded clothes in closets.
I put away the folded clothes in closets.
Wash towels. I wash towels and hang them to dry.
I wash towels and hang them to dry.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.